everyone! 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast is almost equal to 15 grams fresh yeast. 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. 1/3 cup of sugar, about 70 grams. Half a cup warm milk. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. Add 1 egg. Three tablespoons of butter, about 40 grams. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. One and 1/8 cups flour, sifted, about 140 grams. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. The dough is still a little sticky, so add another 1 cup additional flour. Continue kneading the dough by hand. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Dust the dough with flour. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. Grease a bowl with oil. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm spot for 60 minutes. Chop the dried apricots. Dried apricots are rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which support healthy digestion, heart health, and overall immunity. One cup of dried cranberries. Give it a good mix. The dough has risen beautifully. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Roll it into a ball. Divide the dough into 9 parts. Shape into balls. Cover and let rest for 10 minutes. Roll out the dough as shown in the video. Add the filling. Repeat after me, it is very simple. Transfer to a baking dish. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Add a teaspoon of milk to the egg yolk. Brush the surface well with the egg mixture. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, it means a lot. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Perfectly baked. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.